Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you a simple trick or a simple code to write random numbers, creating random numbers in Excel using the rand between function. So whether you are doing some data analysis work or in a simulation work, or you just need some random numbers to work on, this Excel function will be very handy. So let's see how to do that. So in the Excel cell, you just press equal to symbol and type in rand between, and you can write the numbers in between you want to create the random numbers. Here I will select the random numbers between 1 and 2500. Just close the bracket and click enter, and now you have the random number ready. But if you want to create about 100 random numbers, just click on the cell and then just drag it down till the numbers you want. So you are done with the random numbers. So these are random numbers between 1 and 2500. But creating this, there is a problem, because if you change any of the if you want to create the subtitle, title, or any of the changes you make in the Excel sheet, this random numbers will change. For example, if you want to create the title for this as X, now the numbers has changed, again it is changing. So if you don't want that to happen, you can just select these numbers, copy it and paste as values. That will solve the problem. If you just say this is the paste as value, if you paste that, now it won't change. You can see here, earlier it was changing, but now it won't change. So this is a simple function in Excel to create random numbers between using the function rand between. You can create random numbers between any numbers. Hope this is useful for you. Thank you for listening.